What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to figure out what to put on your truck if you're going to be lifting it, you should take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's going to be that strut spacer. You have 3 different options when you choose a lift kit from rough country. We went with the strut spacer on this one because this one only has 200 miles on it, so there's no reason to go ahead and replace that factory strut. If you do have a vehicle that does have some more miles on it, you can go ahead and get the extended strut, so you can go ahead and take out that old strut and replace it with a new one and get some of that ride quality back. If you want the best of the best, you can also go with the coilover set, which is going to give you the best ride quality across the board. The tire is going to be that 35-12-50 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a great kind of a step down from the mud terrain tire. It's going to still have the aggressiveness with the sidewall and the tread, but it's also going to give you a better, quieter ride on the road. With this tire, we are going to have to do some trimming down here on this plastic piece. We can make it nice and clean so that when you do a full turn, you're not going to be having any rubbing issues with this wheel and tire setup. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 Hostile Demon in the gloss black and milled, which Hostile calls it the blade cut. This one's going to be all gloss black around the lip, on the outside of the wheel, and in between each of the spokes. And then it's going to have the milling in between each of the other spokes as well. This one's going to have a -44 offset, which is going to give you about 5.5 inch lip, and also push that wheel and tire package out, giving it a nice wider stance. This one's going to have different finishes as well. If you don't like the gloss black and milled, they have the armor plate, which is going to be a chrome finish. They have the all gloss black, which is they call the asphalt, and then again they have the blade cut, which is the gloss black and milled. The sizes for this wheel also come in a 20x10 all the way up to a 24x14. So you do have some options to work with if you don't like this particular wheel size or finish. If you guys like this whole setup all together, you can get it for your truck. We can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you also check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your truck now, get it lifted, and then pay it over time.